Hi, my name is Eleni.
And I'm Oscar. Today, we're introducing a new platform for our customers called the ONESOURCE Compliance Hub, which is your new companion for monitoring and acting on regulatory changes.
If you're managing compliance across countries, you are dealing with constant updates, different mandates, and hundreds of deadlines.
Right now, that information is scattered in so many different places, making it hard to feel confident that you're compliant where you need to be.
No more of that. ONESOURCE Compliance Hub brings it all together into one interactive platform. So instead of just reading up on regulatory updates, you can actually work on them.
See the full global picture or zoom in on the details that matter the most.
Importantly, you customize this platform for your company so you can get a firm grip on your compliance to-do list.
Let's say you operate in 9 countries in Europe, 3 in Latin America, and 2 in Asia. Then you select these 14 markets, and your dashboard immediately updates.
So you see your upcoming obligations on a personalized timeline, which you can break down by year and by month, and look deeper into the details of each regulatory event.
When you have a country project going on, you can pin that jurisdiction so you can quickly access the details and important updates.
So, what's the biggest difference you experience when you and your team can start collaborating on this real-time interactive platform?
You can move from reacting to regulatory change to actually staying ahead of it.
Less panic, more traction, and more time for...
Coffee?
Yes!